Read Holy Bible with us. We do continue with the book of Genesis chapter 5 verse 1 to verse 32 as its sending verse of chapter 5. Let's read. Verse 1. This is the book of the generations of Adam. In the day that God created man, in the likeness of God made he him. Verse 2. Male and female created he them, and blessed them, and called their name Adam, in the day when they were created. Verse 3. And Adam lived 130 years, and brings forth a son in his own likeness, and after his image, and called his name Seth. Verse 4. And the days of Adam after he had begot in Seth were 800 years, and he brings forth sons and daughters. Verse 5. And all the days that Adam lived were 930 years, and he died. Verse 6. And Seth lived 105 years, and brings forth Enos. Verse 7. And Seth lived after he brings forth Enos 807 years, and brings forth sons and daughters. Verse 8. And all the days of Seth were 912 years, and he died. Verse 9. And Enos lived 90 years, and brings forth Canaan. Verse 10. And all the days of Enos were 905 years, and he died. Verse 11. And all the days of Enos were 905 years, and he died. Verse 12. And Canaan lived 70 years, and brings forth Mahalaleel. Verse 13. And Canaan lived after he brings forth Mahalaleel 840 years, and brings forth sons and daughters. Verse 14. And all the days of Canaan were 910 years, and he died. Verse 15. And Mahalaleel lived 65 years, and brings forth Jared. Verse 16. And Mahalaleel lived after he brings forth Jared 830 years, and brings forth sons and daughters. Verse 17. And all the days of Mahalaleel were 895 years, and he died. Verse 18. And Jared lived 162 years, and he brings forth Enoch. Verse 19. And Jared lived after he brings forth Enoch 800 years, and brings forth sons and daughters. Verse 20. And all the days of Jared were 962 years, and he died. Verse 21. And Enoch lived 65 years, and brings forth Methuselah. Verse 22. And Enoch walked with God after he brings forth Methuselah 300 years, and brings forth sons and daughters. Verse 23. And all the days of Enoch were 365 years. Verse 24. And Enoch walked with God, and he was not, for God took him. Verse 25. And Methuselah lived 187 years, and brings forth Lamech. Verse 26. And Methuselah lived after he brings forth Lamech 782 years, and brings forth sons and daughters. Verse 27. And all the days of Methuselah were 969 years, and he died. Verse 28. And Lamech lived 182 years, and brings forth a son. Verse 29. And he called his name Noah, saying, This same shall comfort us concerning our work and toil of our hands, because of the ground which the Lord has cursed. Verse 30. And Lamech lived after he brings forth Noah 595 years, and brings forth sons and daughters. Verse 31. And all the days of Lamech were 777 years, and he died. Verse 32. And Noah was 500 years old, and Noah brings forth Shem, Ham, and Japheth. Thank you for watching. May Almighty God bless you. Individually, what do you understand these scriptures? Please comment it. Please do show a supportive heart by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you.